I'm back again. I'm back again. I'm beyond the fridge. And oh my goodness, guys, I am out of control with the Subway. You guys know how I get. I get on these addictions. Now I decided to look up the Subway app, which I had before. I just deleted it off my phone. Of course, they had a deal on there. What is this bread I chose? Oh, this is the Chipotle steak or something. So they got these green goddess dressing subs. But when I went in, she said, oh, we don't have the green goddess dressing. That's fine. Well, they advertise something, but they don't have it. What gives, mama? Now this one took forever. My coworker was like, are you okay? Because I was actually taking time during closing duties to order my food. But whatever, I barely take a break anyways, so it's fine. I don't know, I'm not really a break person. What about you guys? Like, sometimes I like taking a break, but for the most part, I don't really want a break. I'll have a break when I go home. I don't know, do y'all like that, having a lunch break? And I don't know. I've been in the serving industry for years. I'm used to not having breaks. We don't take breaks. Sometimes short little breaks. But this is always like money to be had, right? You want to be available to your customers when you're serving them. Oh my goodness. So that was the Chipotle beef. The bread was not very fresh. This was like a, I don't know what option this was. Average. Oh my goodness. I'm back in. So I got, this is the smoked bacon and ham. And they don't got the green oh, this looks much better. For some reason, there certain breads taste better. But yeah, they didn't have the green goddess dressing. Oh, it's quite nice. The thing I love about Subway, you can put it in your fridge. Subs shouldn't be a hot meal. No. I don't know if I adjusted to the heat, but I'm not sweating. Before I was sweating like a crazy pig. Oh. That's pretty good. Let's see what the temperature is in here. It is 30 degrees. I think at this point I've just adjusted, or I drank a lot of water. I really want to try this Green Goddess dressing. So yeah, I basically got 3 foot-long subs for $24. Which is a steal, because I paid 2 subs plus a tip and delivery for like $27, $28. So I used the app and I got, so basically the deal was buy 2 foot-longs and 2 6-inch. I don't know why they did this. You might as well just say buy 3 foot-longs. So I was like, okay, all right, mama. So I ordered my usual, the BMT, and then I got a Green Goddess rotisserie chicken sub, which in the name, Green Goddess, but they don't have the Green Goddess sauce. The Southwest steak I did earlier, and this was the new Maplewood smoked bacon and ham. There you have it. I'll be back soon. You know I ain't about to get on top of my fridge. Okay, I'll do it. You talk me into it. I'll fucking do it. Oh, I better get some tissue up in here, mama. I don't know what this one is I ordered. Oh. Oh, this is supposed to be one of the ones that features the Green Goddess dressing, which they didn't have. Y'all, I need my chair. I'm dropping shit everywhere. She did ask though if I wanted a sauce with it, since I couldn't get that sauce. So I said hot sauce. Which for some reason is not a ingredient listed on the oh. It's like buffalo sauce. Is there avocado on this? I think this is avocado. I want to try this Green Goddess. Maybe I'll get one night a veggie sandwich. You know, for eventually when I do a diet. I think if you're dieting, Subway is a good option. If you get a veggie, lots of veggies, no meat, some bread, a little mayo, a little mustard. Oh, this chicken gives me well, there you have it. Ow, I'm back on top of my fridge, motherfucker.